Good evening, ma'am. Myself Madhusri Sai, and I am from first year BTech second sem, CSC branch D section. Now I am going to give the presentation on the topic of angle between surfaces. This presentation explores the angle between two surfaces at a specific point. We will analyze the surface given by the equation and find the angle at the point 2, minus 1, 2. Surface overview. This overview presents two distinct surfaces, a sphere and a paraboloid, and investigates the geometric relationship at a specific point. In the surface 1, as we can see, the first surface is described by the equation x square plus y square plus z square equals to 9, representing a sphere centered at the origin with a radius of 3. If we can see at the surface 2, the second surface is given by the equation z is equals to x square plus y square minus 3, describing a paraboloid opening upward from the plane z is equals to minus 3. Point of intersection. We will analyze the angle between these two surfaces at the point 2, minus 1, 2. Next. Normal vectors. Importance of normals. To find the angle between two surfaces, we need the normal vectors at the specified point. Normal of surface 1. Computate normal vector for the sphere at the points 2, minus 1, 2 using gradient yielding f1 equals to 2x, 2y, 2z. Normal of surface 2. For the paraboloid, the gradient provides normal vector 2 is equals to minus 2x, minus 2y, 1. Next, calculation of the normals. Evaluate normals at the points 2, minus 1, 2. For the surface 1, substituting the point gives f1 is equals to 4, minus 2, 4. For surface 2, substituting results in f2 is equals to minus 4, 2, 1. Normalize the vectors. Normalize normal vectors to unit vectors for comparison of orientations. Final normal computation. After normalization, the normal vector for surface 1 is n1 is equals to 4 by root 36, minus 2 by root 36, 4 by root 36. And for the surface 2 is n is equals to minus 4 by root 21, 2 by root 21 and 1 by root 21. Next, angle between normals. Dot product formula. The angle theta between two vectors can be calculated using the formula cos theta is equals to n1 into n2 by n1 into n2 by mod n1 into mod n2. Computing dot product. By calculating n1 into n2, we find the relationship between the two normals, which is essential for determining the angle. Angle calculation. After substituting and simplifying, we derive the cosine of the angle and calculating theta using the inverse cosine function. Result interpretation. Understanding the result, the angle theta obtained indicates the surface intersection sharpness. Geometric implications. Acute angles suggest pointed interactions while obtuse angles signal gentler intersections. Applications. Essential in physics, engineering and computer graphics for surface interaction analysis. Conclusion of surface interaction analysis. Analysis is that the summary of findings. Summary of findings. We have successfully derived the angle between the two surfaces at the specified point employing vector calculus methods involving normals and angles. Significance. This analysis underscores the importance of understanding surface interaction, which have wide range implications in science and technology. Future directions. Further exploration could involve analyzing the curvature of the surface at the point of intersection, providing additional insights on the surface behavior.